Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to your another Blender tutorial, and in the previous tutorials we created the roof and the body of the car, and in this tutorial we will complete our car. So I want you guys to open up Blender, change the view to ortho, change it again to right. Now go to this file, append, and open up your car.blend file like this. Now first of all delete this cube, press X and delete it. Now append the roof, go to this object and select this cube like this. So rotate the view like this by middle mouse button and dragging your mouse. So they are not at the origin, so let's fix it. So go to this object and transform origin to the geometry like this. Now go to this object, snap selection to cursor. Now go to object, apply location. Now do the same thing with the body. Go to this object, snap selection to cursor like this. So change the view to right. Now select this roof and left click on this blue arrow and drag it like this. So it looks good, right? So let's add the wheels. So click here, left click and go to this edit, mesh, and select this cylinder. Now expand this window, go to this cube and scale it. In the X, just type 0.75, enter. Y 0.75, enter. And Z 0.4, enter. Now rotate the cube cylinder in Y to 90 degrees like this. So change the view to the bottom view. Now left click on this red arrow and drag the view like this. Now drag from this green arrow just a little, alright? Now change the view to the right and select this blue arrow by left click and drag it like this. Yep, this is good. So again, change the view to the bottom view. Now we want to duplicate this view, so press Shift and D, Shift D, alright, hit enter. Now select this and drag this. Oh god, I think I didn't press it correctly. So Shift D, hit enter. Now drag it like this. Yep. I think, did I just duplicate it? No. Okay, so adjust it just like this. Change the view to the left. Yep, I think it looks good. Yep, there is my view. So let's add the other views. So drag the view by pressing shift and middle mouse button and dragging your mouse like this. And before that, select this view, shift D and duplicate it and hit enter. Now drag this view like this. So change the view to the left and adjust this view. Change the view to the bottom and shift D to duplicate, enter and drag it like this. So our car is looking good. So we will not add the texture right now because this is just the basic stuff. Of course, I will teach you guys the texturing in like this section, which is, I think, yeah, the texturing. And this will be the, I think there will be another video for a car and it will be like texturing car final. So yeah, I'm uploading the videos. I haven't uploaded all of them because I am making the videos right now and I think I am on this video. Anyways, so so this is it for this tutorial, and before that just save your file. Anyways, this is it for this tutorial guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. As I said earlier that we will not texture it in this tutorial, but the car is really good if you are going to make a game which will be for mobile and it will be a low graphic game. Of course it won't work, this model won't work with the Need for Speed type of game, but if you are making some fun game, so this will be good enough. Anyways, as this is basic section, so I think this will be good. So anyways, take care guys, hope to see you guys in the next tutorial.